Yeah.
Order filled, check us out.
You know what time it is.
This is Mighty Soldiers exclusive.
Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it.
How you guys doing? I'm Andy, Mighty Soldiers Trades.
And I'm Sarah.
So I bought a stock and I'm up in profit. This is actually true. I think Sarah actually bought Twitter. And
Yeah.
we were up like several $1,000s, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we could not close the position because it was pre-market.
Right.
The truth is we just didn't know how to do orders. On that particular platform, and it was mobile at the time, and I'm not even sure if that platform allowed pre-market trading anyways on the mobile app at that time. Like I said, trading wheels on some of these brokers.
Yeah.
But anyways, we had Twitter, and we were up over a couple grand, and could not trade it because it was pre-market.
And I believe they had earnings that day or something, but
Right.
it was before.
By the time it opened, it was all the way back down into the red. I think $600 loss.
Yeah, it was stupid. Really, really stupid. Very irritating once we found out that we could have.
Okay, well, I mean, honestly, I believe it's on me, it's on you. It's our fault that we didn't know what we were doing. We were getting into positions. That's called not doing our own due diligence.
Exactly.
We should have known what we could do, what we couldn't do. But a lot of you guys out there, it's the same thing. You don't know that you can trade pre-market, that you can close it after hours. You know, if you're trading typical equities and you're in a broker where you're having a situation to where you can't close or open a position pre-market or after market, you know, you should be able to open and close positions from 4 a.m. until 8 p.m.
Yeah.
And that being said, if you have a broker like TradeStation, which I love TradeStation, they don't start trading till 8 a.m. That's why you see a huge surge in volume in a lot of these stocks that were, you know, if you're watching them at 7:59, as soon as 8 comes around, they either spike up or spike down really fast.
Right.
Because there's that's the TradeStation and other brokers too, coming in at 8 a.m. So if you don't have a broker like that though, if you actually have a broker that allows you to trade full pre-market and full after hours, you know, then you should have no problem at all.
Yeah,
If you're having a problem, I would suggest you check your settings, and I would suggest you call your broker if that doesn't work out, or message them, or you know, get into the chat box on their website or whatever they have. The app, if it's an app.
Yeah. However, yeah.
You know, and a lot of these they have the questions are FAQ or whatever, you know.
Yeah.
So they've actually already laid this out for us. But you guys, if you're sitting in profit, you should not have to wait until, you know, a certain time to close that position.
Right.
If your broker allows trading at that certain time, like TradeStation, you can call in an order at 7:30 a.m. or you can wait until 8 a.m.
Right. If you call them though, they charge you, right?
Yeah, there's a bigger charge if you phone it in. And anyways, if you have like E-Trade or Thinkorswim, I think Interactive Brokers, you know, a lot of these brokers, you can trade full pre-market and after-market hours anyways.
Yeah.
You can trade from 4 a.m. until 8 p.m. The market is open 9:30 a.m. until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Yeah, that's the bell rings at 9:30
Right.
and ends at 4.
But stocks start moving at 4 a.m.
Right.
And stocks stop moving at 8 p.m.
Right.
You know, and then, you know, if you want to look even further, like say you're watching the S&P 500, then you open up your futures. And I like investing.com for that one. They have a great app. They have amazing news. They come through with earnings immediately. I think investing.com is a really great app to have. We're not partnered with them or affiliated in any way, but I really enjoy using them, so I just want to share with you guys, you know.
Yeah. So it's all about knowing what to do when you're trading anything that's available.
Right. But if you guys are coming across situations to where you are in profit or you're fearing a big loss and you don't think you can trade it because it's pre-market or after hours, yes, there's additional risk, so be careful with that. But, you know, call your broker. Check the questions on their webpage. You know, get into that chat box and ask them and say, how do I trade pre-market? How do I buy? You know, and if you want to know about options, ask them the same thing. Options are different. Options don't have the same trading hours. Options are typically, you know, more around the market hours.
Right,
so.
exactly.
So you guys can look into all that yourselves, but at the same time, just know that it is possible. So, so don't just hold these things thinking that you can't. You know, figure it out and try to figure out a way. The way that I say it is always try to make a way. You know, if it's possible, figure it out. Don't just give up. Don't just hear somebody say something and then be like, okay, I heard that I can't do this. No. Try to make it possible. Do as much as you can. I mean, don't break any rules. Don't break any laws. But do your very best to see, you know, like, I want this. Can I get this? Am I allowed to do this?
Right.
Go figure it out if you can. Don't just take somebody's word for it, because there's a lot of people, they're telling you wrong stuff.
Right, exactly. You want to make sure you know everything there is to know that you can do when trading.
I mean, me and her, we've got up and we've traded at 4 a.m. We've been here at 8 p.m. all the way through.
Right. Yes,
many days. All right, so anyways, guys, thanks for joining us. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you'd like us to remake it because we're half asleep in this video, you know, let us know that too. And we'll see you next time.
Yeah, check us out.
Yeah.
Ordered filled. Check us out.
You know what time it is.
This is the Mighty Soldiers exclusive.
Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it. If you wanna take it to the streets, let's get it. If you wanna take it to the booth, let's get it. I'm about to take it to the top, let's get it. We ain't never ever gonna stop, let's get it. You ain't never heard nobody spit like this. Call the paramedics when I get like this. Front page news when I wreck like this. Hop in the booth and I wreck that shit like
If you with the squad, then you already know what's up. It be going down, but my account is going up. I'm about to make another 100,000 bucks. Rolling up that chain, I'm about to take another puff.
Hold up, I made a killing, now my pockets got swollen. Independent, now I'm taking over. I'm a lot richer, you a lot broker. I'm a pot smoker, stockbroker, blowing up like a supernova. On my mama, I was born a soldier, the best in the game, man. I thought I told you. If you wanna take it to the streets, let's get it. If you wanna take it to the booth, let's get it. I'm about to take it to the top, let's get it. We ain't never ever gonna stop, let's get it. You ain't never heard nobody spit like this. Call the paramedics when I get like this. Front page news when I wreck like this. Hop in the booth and I wreck that shit like I am unstoppable, I can do anything I ever wanted to. Never did anything they ever wanted me to. Got on my side and I'm not gonna lose and they're not gonna win. I see them, the haters, it's all cause I'm getting dollars again. Commas on commas, I'm buying the dip. The market is dropping again. I can see him hating from the sidelines. If you see a hater, tell him bye-bye. Watch my money grow, grow, grow. And my wifey like, whoa, 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 whoa. Somebody better stop me cause there ain't no competition and I'm coming for the top position. Obliterating the opposition every time that I jot it in the composition. Everybody wanna stop and listen cause I bring it to you hotter than the oven in your mama kitchen. I'll be getting hit like a politician. I'ma get bread when you stack looking taller than Scottie Pippen. Ain't nobody ready for the Armageddon when I pop the clip and I ain't playing. I'm spraying you brain, I'm bringing the pain like Damon Wayne. You disappear like David Blaine. I'm dropping bombs, Saddam Hussein. Stop and aim, pop you lames and pop champagne. I ain't playing so stop the games, you know the name. If you wanna take it to the streets, let's get it. If you wanna take it to the booth, let's get it. I'm about to take it to the top, let's get it. We ain't never ever gonna stop, let's get it. You ain't never heard nobody spit like this. Call the paramedics when I get like this. Front page news when I wreck like this. Hop in the booth and I wreck that shit like Yeah. 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 Alright, man, I'm out.